I just wanna make you mine. Mine, mine, mine. Mine. Mine, mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine. Mine, mine, mine. Mine. Mine, mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine. Mine, mine, mine. Mine. Mine, mine, mine. I just wanna make you.
Howdy, Two Shoes.
What's up, guys?
Final Vixen and Slim Shetty here at Wrapsesh, doing our Sema 2021 collage episode, our most favoriteest rap adventure of the year.
Oh, it's so much fun.
You guys know we missed out last year. It was closed down due to COVID, so we were back in action. We went hella hard.
Everyone went hard.
Oh yeah.
So hard.
We went so hard.
No, SEMA was awesome this year. It was a lot better than what I thought it was going to be due to everything.
Yep. All that crap.
Yeah, but it turned out pretty good.
Great attendance. We got to meet up with all of our rap family. We love you guys to the moon and back.
I know. It's so nice to see everybody
all
every
of our
year.
supporters and our super fans and our other shops we work with and our designers we collaborate with. It's just so fun all being in the same place and enjoying cars and all of our wraps of art. This year, once again, we were in the Muto booth featuring our Toyota Gupra wrap.
The Gupra.
If you guys want to see more of our Gupra, check out our other SEMA episode on that custom car review. We did live demos with Shane from Gecko Wraps as usual. Got a lot of attention on our Supra. There was a lot of Supras there.
Someone wanted to buy it.
Yeah, someone wanted to buy it. There's a lot of Supras there, but not hardly any with like a really, really crazy design. So that was really fun.
I think the two wraps we had there were one of the more like graphics wraps. I didn't see a lot of like crazy custom graphics wraps. There was a lot of wraps.
A lot of really nice color changes.
Very in-depth graphics.
So yeah, we had our Dark Dragon, our Dark Side 3.0 reflective brush metal wrap out there front and center, and then we were doing live wrap demos on our Toyota Gupra wrap as well. We also wrapped an entire trailer for Fusion Tools with We Print Wrap.
Oh yeah.
The day before.
The day before.
That was a blast.
That was.
We helped some other vendors out outside in the dark in the middle of the night trying to get some graphics down.
Yeah, we installed some graphics on a big Jeep 6x6 outside at night.
Pretty cool.
It was
this was the first time bringing almost all of our team, our current team this year. For all of them, it was like their first time ever going to SEMA, ever doing a trade show. So they were just like kids on Christmas Day. We had like 10 other people with us. It was super hectic, but really, really fun. We always have a blast at SEMA.
Pretty much like I am every year.
Yeah.
Little kid at Christmas.
Oh yeah. Look at this, look at this.
Oh.
What about that? Oh, what about that?
Oh.
Yeah, that's what she does the entire time.
Look at that.
Anyways, check out some of our photo and video collages. We hope you guys enjoy our rap adventure to SEMA 2021.
We did.
I just wanna